In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate an SSL certificate on Hostinger. Having an SSL certificate is essential for securing your website and ensuring that any data exchanged between your server and visitors remains private and protected. This added layer of security doesn't just bolster the trustworthiness of your site, but it can also have a positive impact on your SEO rankings. First, let's begin by navigating to the websites section within your Hostinger account. This is your starting point, where you can manage all aspects of your website's hosting. Once you're there, you'll see a list of websites you have under your account. Go ahead and locate the site on which you wish to install the SSL certificate. Click on the dashboard button next to your chosen site. This will bring you to the control panel where you can make various configurations to enhance your website's performance. Now, shift your attention to the sidebar menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but what we're interested in at the moment is the SSL settings. Click on SSL and you'll be directed to the SSL management page. Here you have the option to install an SSL certificate. Look for the Install SSL button and click on it. Doing so initiates the installation process for a free SSL certificate provided by Let's Encrypt. This is a robust and widely appreciated service that offers SSL certificates at no cost, aligning perfectly with both beginner and advanced needs. Once you've clicked the Install SSL button, the system will automatically handle the installation for you. This process typically takes just a few minutes. During this time, Hostinger communicates with Let's Encrypt to create and install the certificate on your behalf. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require any technical expertise, allowing you to sit back and relax while everything is handled efficiently. After completion, you want to ensure that your SSL certificate is active and working properly. Typically, the activation status is indicated by a padlock icon next to your site's URL in the browser's address bar. A closed padlock means your SSL certificate is successfully installed and active, signifying that your site now benefits from secure HTTPS connections. In some cases, you may need to refresh or restart your browser for the changes to take effect and see the padlock symbol appear. Lastly, remember that maintaining your SSL certificate is key. Although Let's Encrypt certificates typically renew automatically, it's a good practice to periodically check your SSL status in Hostinger's dashboard to ensure everything remains in order. This small step can ensure continuous security for both you and your website visitors. With that, you've successfully installed and activated an SSL certificate on Hostinger, taking a significant step toward enhancing your site's security and reliability. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your site is safe and secure.